Hi, I'm going to show you this Canon FTB camera. I'm going to show you how the exposure system works on this camera. So first off, you need to turn on the exposure meter. How you do that is turn here on. Alright, next you need to make sure that your ISO for your film is set rightly. So let's assume that I have a 400 ISO film. So let's say the 400 ISO. Alright, so now I'm going to show the viewfinder. So in the viewfinder, let's see here. Okay, you see the top, like on the right side. Now I'm gonna adjust the shutter speed. So when I adjust the shutter speed, it actually will move. The meter actually will move according to my shutter speed. See? See? My shutter speed moves. So with the lens, what I need to do is that I need to with the lens aperture here actually moves there's a ring in the viewfinder, if you can see. When I move the aperture, the ring moves. See? So what I need to do is I need to make sure that the ring goes onto the needle like this. So I'm gonna demonstrate that too. Right, just like that. When the ring and the needle aligns, that means it's in the right exposure. There's actually another way to expose this camera, because some lenses don't have the aperture ring control that's connected to the FTB camera, like the FL series of lenses. So what you need to do in that situation is that you need to press this like a aperture preview lever and lock it. When that happens, you no longer have the ring in free motion. Then you see on the right side, there's like a little ledge there. I'm not sure if you noticed that. Okay, let's see. So you see on the right side, there's like a little ledge here, a little notch there. So you need to make sure that your aperture, your meter aligns with the ledge, then it's in the right exposure. Like this, it's not in the right exposure. Like this, it's not in the right exposure. But when it's aligned with that ledge, then it's in the right exposure. Right now it's in the proper exposure here. See, there's a ledge here. Alright, so that's two ways how you can expose your camera using the Canon FTB light emitter. Alright, there you go. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for dropping by. Before you leave, I wish to assure you that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves you all, and please feel free to reach out to Him for healing. He is a healer. He will answer you. Thank you everyone. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. See you.